Well, Merry Christmas to you from all of us at the Woodworkers Institute. We hope you've had a marvelous year and are having a peaceful and happy day celebrating this festive season. We'll be gearing up for a lot of woodworking in this coming year, and we hope that you'll accompany us on this journey. We hope that you'll join us on this website and our social media platforms for the best in woodworking information, projects, tips, and techniques. Hello to all you woodworkers and welcome to the Woodworkers Institute YouTube channel. Here you will find a mine of woodworking info carefully and easily explained in clear and easy to view videos. Take your time to browse our selection and you will definitely find something of interest to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we appreciate all your comments. We would also love to see you on our Woodworkers Institute website at woodworkersinstitute.com, where you will find even more woodworking info. See the link on the top right of our homepage. On the Woodworkers Institute website, we celebrate a union of woodworkers worldwide. There is always something new to learn, and we cater to woodworkers of all skill levels, from the beginner all the way to the highly skilled professionals. See a wide range of articles from all the areas our magazines cover: furniture and cabinet making, woodworking crafts, wood turning, and wood carving. The site is well organized to easily find the articles you're interested in. There will be new articles posted daily, so you'll have plenty to keep you coming back time and time again. We hope that you enjoy our hub for everything woodworking, and we want you to feel at home so you can come back and visit us often.